Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today I'm going to show you how I paint beautiful sunflowers in the field in watercolor. This video is one of my online class lesson. In this video, original learning time is around 40 minutes. If you are interested in my online class 101, click the link. I'll put the link in description section below. Let's start by sketching with a 2H pencil on the watercolor paper. Next step, apply masking fluid on the flowers. Prepare an old thin brush for applying. If you don't have any extra brush, you can use a tiny stack for applying the masking fluid. Okay, masking fluid is fully dried. So next step, in the background, we are using Veronese style, loose style, and we will create an abstract effect. Okay. Let's start the wetting the paper, and now I'm apply the background color with the bluish color. And as you can see, there is a lot of water flowing here and there on the paper, right? I'm adding yellow for the flowers and dark green for the stem and sunflower leaves. Take a look, these colors blended harmoniously and naturally. You see the paper still holding a lot of water, so it's the right time. It's the right timing for using different colors in the distance with brown. The colors spread and blended each other. Okay, also it's the good timing for using salt. This salt can make a beautiful mix on the paper after a paper dried. This salt dried, take off the salt and masking fluid, rub gently. Masking fluid, you can take off the finger or masking tape or masking eraser. Next, I'm ready to paint beautiful flowers. Wet the paper with a small amount of water on the petals area. Then take a little bit of yellow and apply it on the flower. Yeah, this is a first layer. First layer applied on the paper, very watery color. Take a look at my brush strokes from bottom up, from bottom to top, from top to bottom. And take some orange, add on the petals around the center of the flower area. Get some little bit of dark, strong, intense color. Draw between petals. Okay, next, just in the center, give it a little depth of colors. And in the center of the flower, we needed to save some negative space for highlight. and draw some seeds with dark brown. And now I'm using wet on dry technique. Take some dark brown. The mixture of the color sap green, kind of olive green mix brown. Add on the center of the flower is kind of the seed, sunflower seed. Okay, take out some colors with a synthetic brush for some airy on the painting. I want to finish this painting looks naturally. This video all done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.